St. Dominic Secondary School, Nongrah, Shillong, held a mini-fete on the 9th of October 2024 to raise funds for underprivileged students. The event was attended by Nongthymmai MLA Charles Pyngrope as the chief guest, along with the KHADC Chief Executive Member Pyniaid Syiem, Brigadier William Sturgeon, Principal Sister Jiji Gorge, Parish Priest Fr Theophilus Sohtun, members of the school managing committee, parish elders and other invited guests. During his speech, Charles Pyngrope expressed gratitude to the school's donors and conveyed his hopes for the continued success of the school's management, students and teachers.
Our school sports.
This many Fete, and may you raise a lot of money for the school, for the development of the school, and I'm sure all those benefactors who are here have contributed tremendously for this day to happen and this school to exist. May God bless them all. With these few words, I declare the Fete open and let us enjoy. Thank you.
The Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Pyniaid Syiem, also assured the school management that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council would remain committed to supporting the institution's growth and development in the future.
Okay, now the third prize winner, Red House, teachers in charge, Ms. Banripa of
Ngai komplek kerpang ru iki nohikai barbaro ki students nadu ki baret hadu ki belasan ki badan hangi po school ya kaba pinyo ban shimenta gani ka benefit nga ai ka jingkit bok kedrian ba gani ka benefit kan long ka job hani ka singi ba ka jing thmu jong ka school managing committee kan yo ban khet yu so te na ai komplek ru na kan ta baro ki nong shimenta ki kme ki pa ki parashnong paradong ki badan hangi na kaliang jungiru kumka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kumbagi ju yarap hi na kapor shikapor ban ajing yarap iki school ban long kajing mentoi habi day ba kajing shakri ban penang pen start iki khun joki shnong na kamenta kajing mentoi kapulia puthi ki jongki na kaliang jungiru ngin yai beteng ban ia don ringkat ba ka school hangni ba kanika school kanang pau kanang kio haki senam ki banwan